Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat not connecting. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat not connecting, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about the application of WeChat and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps, then you can find this. You can go to your Wi-Fi here, and you will wait a moment. Then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.